Titulo: 5 Mind-Blowing Financial Hacks That Will Revolutionize Your Wealth. Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Get ready. 5 mind-blowing financial hacks that will revolutionize your wealth. In this video, we'll share some incredible and unconventional financial hacks that can transform your financial life. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover strategies that can help you maximize your wealth and achieve financial freedom. I'm Tom, your guide to unlocking the secrets of financial success. Are you tired of conventional financial advice that doesn't yield significant results? In this video, we're diving deep into mind-blowing financial hacks that will revolutionize your wealth. These strategies challenge traditional thinking and offer innovative approaches to managing your money, increasing your income, and building a secure financial future. Hack number 1. The power of micro-investing. Discover the revolutionary concept of micro-investing, where even the smallest amounts of money can grow into substantial wealth over time. We'll explore platforms and apps that allow you to invest spare change, automate your investments, and harness the power of compound interest. Learn how to kickstart your investment journey with minimal effort. Hack number 2. The art of negotiation. Negotiation is a valuable skill that can save you thousands of dollars. We'll unveil effective negotiation techniques that you can apply to various areas of your financial life, from reducing bills and getting discounts to negotiating salary increases and better deals. Unleash your inner negotiator and watch your savings grow. Hack number 3. Travel hacking for free adventures. Love to travel but hate the high costs? We'll reveal travel hacking secrets that can help you score free flights, discounted accommodations, and incredible travel experiences. Learn how to leverage credit card rewards, loyalty programs, and strategic planning to explore the world without breaking the bank. Get ready to embark on unforgettable adventures. Hack number 4. Passive income streams that work for you. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. We'll explore unconventional methods of generating passive income, such as creating online courses, building a rental property empire, or leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. Discover how to make money work for you, even while you sleep, and unlock a life of financial independence. Hack number 5. The minimalist approach to financial freedom. Embracing minimalism can have a profound impact on your finances. We'll delve into minimalist living principles and how they can help you reduce expenses, declutter your life, and focus on what truly matters. Learn how to adopt a minimalist mindset and make conscious spending choices that align with your values and financial goals. Taking action and implementing the hacks. Knowledge alone is not enough. Taking action is crucial. We'll provide practical steps to implement each financial hack discussed in this video. Whether it's opening a micro-investing account, researching travel hacking techniques, or exploring passive income opportunities, we'll guide you through the necessary actions to revolutionize your wealth. Congratulations! You're now armed with 5 mind-blowing financial hacks that can revolutionize your wealth. Remember, these strategies require commitment, consistency, and an open mind. Start implementing them today and witness the transformation in your financial life. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are ready to level up their financial game. The financial hacks provided in this video are intended for educational purposes only. It's important to assess your individual financial situation and consult with a qualified financial advisor before implementing any strategies mentioned. Thanks for watching.